Hi everyone, this is Jenna. Today we're gonna make beetroot steak. This is my first time making vegan steak, so I'm very excited. So since it's a beetroot steak, we would absolutely need some beetroot. I'm also gonna use vegan Greek cheese, like vegan feta cheese. I bought it in the market. And we're also gonna use some walnuts and onions. We're gonna use some orange juice as well. Let's go.
Have you tried beetroot?
Not really, not properly. Maybe I'll try now and tell you how, if I like it.
Hopefully you like it.
But it tastes like corn.
It tastes like corn?
Yeah, it tastes like canned corn. Soil. Oh, have you tried soil? That's your favorite snack? I think it tastes like canned corn.
This is vegan substitute to feta cheese. It's made from coconut oil and tapioca starch. We have never tried it before, but it's been said to be delicious. Let's try it.
Trying one?
Surprisingly good. So we're using oil and butter, milk-free butter. This is to give the best conditions for frying. We get a nice golden brown surface.